The Northern Virginia Senior Olympics started in 1982 with a very small group of about 80 athletes and a volunteer committee. And this is our 35th season. Last year we had more than 900 athletes, and this year we're looking for even a larger group. The Olympics are open to everyone of any skill level or activity level. I like to call it's exercising your mind as well as your body. We have the athletic events such as running, softball throw, discus, mini javelin. And then we have mind games such as Sudoku, Scrabble. So anyone of any activity or skill level can join. And we encourage people to come out, while there is a very small registration fee to be part of the Olympics, to come to one of the venues and cheer on the Olympians. That's absolutely open to the public and free.
This is my third year with Northern Virginia Senior Olympics, and I'm really excited about getting started this year because I'm looking to improve my record from last year. It's special for me because it gives me an opportunity to measure my strength, my agility, my mindset, because it's truly a mindset to get up and work out consistently over a period of time so you can really determine at the end of the day where you are.
We're really encouraging people to come out and volunteer. Without the volunteers, we wouldn't be able to have all the programs that we have within the Olympics. RSVP Northern Virginia is a volunteer program of Volunteer Fairfax. And we hope that after people coming out and taking part in the Senior Olympics, that they'll explore some of the other wonderful volunteer opportunities that we have in both RSVP and Volunteer Fairfax.